Welcome to Badge Family Homestead. We are excited today to get our first ever tractor. She is a B2601
and a Kubota.
And she should arrive here any minute. So stay tuned. Did we get a Kubota?
Yeah.
Is it here?
Yeah. Mom, Daddy really has to help it. It's over there trying to get here. It's on the trailer. Okay, Mommy.
Is it stuck?
I don't know. It's actually here. Our tractor is actually
Go all the way back around, and you'll see a pole barn, and it basically leaves the back end right by it.
our tractor. Let's go see it. Finally. Yeah, it's better. And I love it.
Way back.
Is this our new tractor? Yeah. Yeah. Are you excited to ride it? Yeah. Yeah. Stay back. Are you excited? Yeah. Butter. I don't see the back.
She's here.
Oh, yeah, I do.
Joanna
Do you
is her
see the thing
name.
that spits it out and sucks it up?
Yeah, you talking about the snowblower?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got the snowblower, the bucket, the forks, and the back blades on it. Oh, Ella, you're getting a little too excited there.
I need help.
Will, do you like it? Yeah. What do you think, Will? You want to go drive it? Oh, the rock bar fits. Barely. We're gonna have to be really careful if that door comes down just a little bit and we go driving in there, it's gonna catch. Or like Josh said, if the snow gets high, if we have a bunch of snow and that brings us up a little bit, then we'll end up hitting the garage door if we don't plow that snow out of the way. Or if we don't take the rocks bar down. And then you just gotta push those things down and then hook up the hydraulics, right? Okay.
Watch your toes, and I'll shut you
Yeah.
down.
Yep.
Do you have any questions on it?
It's the Maiden voyage.